central DeKalb County in northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Malta, or 7 miles southwest of Sycamore, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sycamore, Genoa, DeKalb, Cortland, Maple Park, Malta, and Virgil. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.